Are you sick and tired of having too many kitchen appliances and not having anywhere to store them?
Or perhaps you wish you could turn multiple appliances into just one.
Well, today we're bringing you the Ninja Foodie 2-in-1 food prep system. It combines an immersion blender and a hand mixer in one, and today we're going to be testing it against its budget alternatives.
So stick around as we put it to the test and find out if it is really worth your money.
Okay, for test number 1, we're going to whisk up 2 egg whites into a bowl and see how long it takes for them to reach a stiff peak. First up, we've got our Tesco budget-friendly, probably 10-year-old hand whisk. We will test that, time it, and then come back. Okay, now let's find out how long it takes the Ninja to complete the test. Okay, so now the test is over and the winner is Tesco.
Okay, so the second test we're going to do is the stiff mix test. Now what we've got here is some butter, 125 grams, and we've also got 125 grams of Demira brown sugar. I'm going to add it into the bowl or into the jug, and then the first thing we're going to try is using the Tesco blender, and we're going to time how long it takes for it to turn into a buttercream. Okay, so at 1 minute 32, that's how it's looking. And that is from the Tesco blender. Okay, now we're gonna try the Ninja mixer and see how it performs. Now it is worth noting that we did heat both butters up for 20 seconds in the microwave before we began blending. Here we go. Okay, so that was at 1 minute 4 seconds. That's how it looks there. So as you can see, there's no question as to who the winner was. The Ninja takes the lead in that test.
Okay, now for test number 3, we are going to try the immersion blender. First up, we've got our old Wilko immersion blender, which was about £10. So let's see how that one does. We are going to use some pineapple, slightly weird, but we're going to turn some of it into sorbet and some of it is going to flavour some kombucha. Okay, we are ready to go and we are going to time how long it takes for the immersion blender to mix everything. Okay, so that took about 1 minute and 12 seconds. We made a bit of a mess in the meantime. And this is pretty much what we've got. Okay, now we are ready to try the Ninja immersion blender. Okay, now that is impressive. I don't know if you can tell, but this is pretty much foam. This is really nice and smooth, and it only took 30 seconds. In all honesty, however, this one made quite a bit of a mess, so I would recommend using a vessel that is slightly taller, unless you fancy having whatever you're trying to blend going all over the walls. For this final test, the Ninja is by far the winner. I mean, look at the difference. This one is pretty much a mousse, whereas this one, it's got a way to go. So, there you have it.
Okay, now for the fourth and final test, we are going to do a sound test. So, using a decibel meter, I'm going to test the immersion blender, the hand whisk, and then the Ninja immersion blender and the Ninja hand whisk. So, we're starting with the Wilko budget-friendly immersion blender. Now we're going to test the Ninja immersion blender's sound. So for immersion blenders, the Ninja just about beat the budget-friendly one by coming in at 69 on the decibel range, and the Wilco was at about 70. So now we're moving on to the budget-friendly Tesco hand whisk. Let's see how loud this is. So the Tesco hand whisk came in at 83 decibels. Up next is the Ninja hand whisk. Let's see how loud this is. Coming in at 74 decibels, and the Tesco one was actually reading 10 decibels higher than this bad boy. So again, another clear winner for the Ninja. That's all of our 4 tests completed, and it's clear to say that the Ninja was the obvious winner.
However, let us know in the comment section down below if you would be willing to upgrade to the new Ninja 2-in-1 food prep system, or if you will be sticking to your old trusted appliances.
Now, if you would like to purchase any Ninja products, check the links in our description, and if you'd like to watch any of our other reviews, check out the video on screen now.
So thank you very much for tagging along, and we'll see you again in the next one.
See ya.